Okay, third row seat keeps getting stolen. Well, mine's been stolen twice, and I'm fed up. So I now went with this product right here. Okay, Xtralock. Okay. Pop that trunk there. All right. There it is, folks, right there. That sucker, it's hard to put in, but once it's in and you get your used seats or new seats, whichever way it goes, this puppy works, man. It is solid. I mean, it's going to take a lot of work to get that off. It's going to take them too long to get it done. The lock on it is like heavy stinking duty, and they're going to be working for a while to get it off. It's not going to be lickety split, because typically what they do here is they take a screwdriver up in here. I had to put RTV to fix mine, but they take a screwdriver, shove it up here until they bust this lock and pop it up. Then they pop your little trunk. It doesn't set off any alarms, and sometimes they break this, and then you have to have this replaced. My gasket was damaged, but I just went ahead and RTV'd it. Okay, I just RTV'd my gasket there, but they usually break these. Mine luckily didn't get broke this time. On the second time, they've ripped off my seats, and this is gonna be their most difficult option here if they decide to break in and go after it. They're gonna be working. I mean, it covers it up. There's no way you can pull them out without tearing off this device. You tear off this device, you're gonna mess everything up. So at this point, I recommend this product. Good luck. God bless.